Marambui. Sharon Ongao, Ramogi TV.
Kapod wantiere weche mag thieth, jatend migao Nakhumicha lero ni yedhe mag tuo asma kido mar Ventolin ema nok e pacho kaendi, kata kamano kido mamoko to yudore. Jous yedhe osebedo ka chwalo ywak ewi chenro mar puodho kod yor chudo madeko maneno ka yedhe chopo e pacho kaendi, gino ma osekelo nok.
What I have read on social media is that Ventolin is out of stock. Last night I went to a chemist to check whether Ventolin is there or is out of stock, and I confirmed that Ventolin is out of stock. However, Ventolin is a brand name. That is the original that was manufactured by GlaxoSmithKline. There are others that we call generic drugs, and WHO recommends that even as you prescribe medicine with a generic name, which is salbutamol. If you go to a chemist, you ask for Ventolin is out of stock, please ask them what is the alternative that you have. They will have another salbutamol inhaler that then they should be able to give you. At KEMSA, we have salbutamol inhaler, which then goes to public facilities. So I'm not sure what private facilities are doing, but good practice is that they should have the alternative, which is salbutamol inhaler, and it is available in the market.
Apis Commissioner mochung ne arita manondo